ever wondered how neurological disorders are not just limited to humans but also affect animals? Now that's a thought-provoking question, isn't it? Neurological disorders are conditions that affect the nervous system, which includes the brain and spinal cord. They can cause a range of symptoms, from minor inconveniences to debilitating effects, impacting the quality of life for both humans and animals. Today, we're diving into the world of two such disorders: chronic wasting disease, or CWD, and Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease, or CJD. CWD is a transmissible spongiform encephalopathy, a type of brain disease that primarily affects animals like deer, elk, moose, and reindeer. On the other hand, CJD is a rare, degenerative, and fatal brain disorder that targets humans. These diseases, although both neurological, have distinct characteristics. They differ in their target species, transmission methods, and clinical presentations. While both are neurological disorders, their target species and clinical presentations significantly distinguish them. Diving into the world of animals, let's explore chronic wasting disease, or CWD. This neurological disorder primarily targets animals, particularly deer, elk, moose, and reindeer. It's a type of transmissible spongiform encephalopathy, a disease that affects the brain and nervous system of the infected creature. The transmission of CWD is quite intriguing. It spreads among animals through prions, which are abnormal proteins. These prions cause normal proteins to become misshapen, leading to the disease. The symptoms of CWD are distressing, with animals exhibiting weight loss, stumbling, excessive salivation, a lack of fear of humans, and eventually, death. There's a looming concern about the potential transmission of CWD to humans who consume contaminated meat. Although no confirmed cases have been reported, the possibility can't be completely ruled out. The effects of CWD on animals are severe, leading to death, and the potential for transmission to humans remains a concern. From the wilderness to our homes, we now delve into Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease, a human neurological disorder. Unlike chronic wasting disease, which targets animals, Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease, or CJD, is a rare degenerative brain disorder that afflicts humans. It's a member of the prion diseases, a group of conditions marked by misfolded proteins that wreak havoc on the brain. CJD takes on several forms. The most common is sporadic, which occurs spontaneously without known cause. Then we have the hereditary form, passed down through families, and the acquired variant, which arises from exposure to infected tissue or through certain medical procedures. Symptoms of CJD are severe and rapidly progressive, starting with memory problems and behavioral changes. As the disease advances, individuals experience impaired coordination, rapidly progressing dementia, and severe neurological impairment. Ultimately, the disease leads to death. CJD, with its devastating symptoms and high fatality rate, is a stark reminder of the impact of neurological disorders on human health. While both CWD and CJD are neurological disorders, their differences are stark and significant. Chronic wasting disease, or CWD, primarily affects animals, particularly deer, elk, moose, and reindeer. It's a type of transmissible spongiform encephalopathy, which impacts the brain and nervous system of the affected creatures. It spreads among these animals through prions, abnormal proteins that cause normal proteins to misfold. On the other hand, Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease, or CJD, is a brain disorder found in humans. It's one of several prion diseases affecting our species. Unlike CWD, CJD can occur sporadically, or it can be passed down genetically, or even acquired through exposure to infected tissues. While both diseases have neurological effects, the symptoms and progression differ markedly between animals and humans. Animals with CWD often display weight loss, stumbling, and excessive salivation, among other signs. Humans with CJD, however, show symptoms like rapidly progressive dementia, memory problems, and severe neurological impairment. Understanding these differences is crucial in the study and management of these diseases and in mitigating their potential risks.